guys, so we're gonna start off with some ground beef. I'm using 80-20, 80% beef, 20% fat. You could use whatever proportion you would like. So at this point, I'm going to be browning my beef to a nice crispy golden brown, and I'm going to cook it at least 85 to 90% done. Now we're going to be adding some potatoes. I cut mine into bite-sized pieces. Here you'll see I'll be using red potatoes, yellow potatoes, and some purple blue potatoes. I thought that was like a little change into what I usually do, because I usually just do like rustic potatoes. But yeah, you can do any type of potatoes you would like. I'm going to add in some Spanish olives without the hard pit inside. And I added some of the juice inside there so it could be really juicy and succulent. And I'm just going to let this simmer for like 2 to 3 minutes. Here is when I'm going to add my Spanish seasoning. We start off with some adobo. Then I'm going to start off with some garlic powder. I'm also going to go into with some garlic and herb that I got from Olive Garden. I then go in with some parsley flakes, put that all over. It gives it a good vibrant green color. And I feel like we eat with our eyes anyway, so why not? Then we're going to start off with some sofrito, which is a Spanish base in every Spanish cooking. It has onions, garlic, peppers, really good. Then, you know, sazon for that little bit of flavor and color, that little orange tint. I love it so much. Then I'm gonna stir it up and let this chill and, you know, get all nice and tasteful and succulent for a good 2 to 3 minutes. So here's a little twist to my no more recipes. I usually add tomato sauce, but here I didn't have any, so I just added a little bit of pasta sauce, only 1 or 2 tablespoons, just to give it a nice like thick consistency. So here are the pastelillo wrappers. They are Goya name brand. You can find these at Publix, Walmart, anywhere in particular. You could actually make your own, but I prefer to just buy it. It's only $2 and it's already rolled out, proportioned, and easy to fry and fill, pretty much. Here I am using a turnover contraption where you can place the dough on it and put the filling inside and just crush it together, as you can see I'm doing here, and it just releases all the extra oils and juices, but it also closes it as well. I find this to be really easy and good for beginners who are trying these new recipes out. You can also do it with a fork, which I'll show you later on in the video. As you may notice, the pastelillo empanadilla in the lower right corner has a hole in it. So here I am trying to fix it, which it is nearly impossible because the filling was too hot, making the dough rip and causing it not to close properly. So what I did was, instead of throwing out the filling, I just used a new wrapper and emptied out all the filling onto a new wrapper. And then I'm going to show you the fork technique, which is usually what I do 9 times out of 10 when I can't find my handy dandy turnover contraption majiggy. You just fold over one side to another, closing it, pinching it a little bit with your finger, and then you just close it with the fork. Now, time for the second to best part, which is actually frying it. Here I have some canola oil and vegetable oil. that I have previously used for French fries and stuff, so that's why it's a little brown. So I just fried it until it was nice and golden brown. Remember, the filling's already cooked, so you're only cooking the pastelillos or empanadillas until it's lightly golden brown and the cheese melts. Here, then I take it out. Buen provecho, mi gentes. Adios.